Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you very important option of Microsoft Form review answer. So how this option is useful and make you comfortable. For example, all of you open Microsoft Form and enter user ID and password, you will get a first screen like this. And suppose this is my my MCQ Microsoft Form class 12. There are 23 responses you can see. So you clicked on that, clicked on this response option. When we clicked on this response option, we want to click on open in Excel option to download the result. So I recommend you no need to do this. First of all, you go review answer option. Why? Because sometimes what's happened, by mistake we can't be able to give the points when we set the questions. Or second case is, suppose there is a one word based question is there, and if spelling is different, student will not get the marks automatically by the Microsoft Form. So in that two cases this option is very useful. So I first recommend, before downloading this option, you clicked on this open in Excel, you go in review answer option. So I'm showing you by example. Suppose this is a student Sahdev Lakina 1, and as example I'm showing you, uh, he's getting a, see carefully here, 1 out of 9. So suppose I'm making a case, in this question he did not get an answer. So for example this one is, you can see now it's points. One more case I'm going to take. Suppose these two questions are one word based question. Suppose, okay, these two question number 3 and question number 4, and this one 1 and 2, 0 and 1, you can consider the case where we did not give the point when we set the question. These two cases are there, question number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So in these type of cases review answer option is very useful. So you review the answers of each and every one here. So first of all I'm going to solve a case where I did not give the point when we set the question paper. So I'm giving a marks if student is correct. 1, you can see here, now marks is 2, and again 1 mark, question is 3, 3 out of 9, you can see here points are increasing. And now where suppose the one word based question is there and spelling is different given by the student, then definitely Microsoft Form will not give answers automatically, then we manually review the answer. Suppose this is of 2 marks or 1 marks, okay, 1 marks, then again 1 marks, you can see now 4, now it happened 5. So 9 out of 5, you can see 9 out of 5, initially it is 1 marks out of 9. So you can see how this option is useful. Review answer option is very useful. So I'm showing you here. Now you can download this open in Excel option after reviewing answers. That is a finalized. As I am opening this, what is the benefit of this option, you can see here also, it is opening. So here you can see, for example, Sahdev Lakina 1, so in this you can see 5 marks of Sahdev Lakina 1 here, you can see here. So I told you about this, you can see Sahdev Lakina जो है second वाला, Sahdev Lakina 1 showing by the Microsoft Form 5 marks. Initially there are 1 marks. I am showing you again, you can see in review answer Sahdev Lakina 1, so 5 is here, you can see 5 is here, 5 out of 9, and Sahdev Lakina 1, this one Sahdev Lakina 1, 5 marks out of 9. So you can see how this review answer option is beneficial for all of you. So I recommend you, all of you, use this review answer option. After that only you clicked on this open in Excel. If you after directly if you open in Excel without using review answer, then you have to manually uh, do changes in Excel sheet. So I recommend you first of all use review answer option. you can review the answer of each and every student here. After that you clicked on this. So I hope all of you like this video. Thank you.